What's up, everybody? So basically, this is what I crafted. I printed a whole bunch of these things out. So these are like little cardboard activities, and once I cut them out, I'll paste them, and it'll look like this. Little cardboards. I have a whole bunch of them, different ones. Oh my god, I'm in love with these little things. It looks so cute, and I'm gonna hang them up where my arcades are at. Mortal Kombat. We got right here Street Fighter. I have a lot of ink and a lot of papers, so I could start printing out a whole bunch of cool little things and start making my own little arcade thingies. And it'll look like this in the end. So, yeah. Then I got Pac-Man. I have more printing out right now. I got the other classic Pac-Man. And here's some other ones. Then I have, oh, I also got the classic Street Fighter as well. Right here. Look, you put the little quarter here. It looks cool. Okay, so right now I'm cutting out Punch Out. Little arcades, crafting cutouts. So this I use is a straight cutter. So basically, it's a photo cutter as well. So this, everything I have here is all photogloss paper. And what I do is I print it out, and if I have necessary to use my straight cutters, you know, my scalpels, whatever I need, I have a whole bunch of them right here. So that's for like little details. Like you see these little corners. I don't think you can see them, but there's little corners that I have to cut out and stuff. So once I do that, it'll be awesome. But this is easier to cut. It's only like straight things. But when it comes to curves like that, I advise you to use a scissor or one of these straight scalpel cutters. I have all multiple cutters in here as well, so yeah, this is cool. Okay, I gotta say, it's not bad for the first time I'm building this little arcade. It's cute. I love it. I love little things, but I know I could do a little better than this, but it's my first time building this. I built the other little stuff, but to build these little arcades and a lot of cutouts and stuff, and you know, it takes time to do it. You know, my first one I have right here, so it doesn't look too bad, but I know I could do better than that. Maybe I got other ones in here too, and these ones look like it's gonna be difficult, but I mean, it's not bad at all. I mean, I like it. I got this Mrs. Pac-Man one. I'll probably do this one next, but this looks cool. I like it. Later on, I'll hang them up and put them with the rest of my little collections. Punch Out. Alright, so from what I started from before, this is the first one I did. It came out alright. This is the second one I did, and it came out even way better than the first one that I did. And I have a whole bunch that I could do. So, yeah, I'm going to do a whole bunch of these, and look how little it is. It's cute. It's Pac-Man. Mrs. Pac-Man. So, it's my little Punch Out. I got more that I'm about to do in a few. And I'm in love with these. I love it. I'll get added to my real collection of, let me show you, of my arcades that I have over there. I got the actual big ones. But, yeah, let me just shut the light off. You can see. So, yeah, I can add it to my little collections. And it'll be awesome. And I'll probably take some stuff down here and put the little arcades up there. Yeah. Got these arcades as well. And I have a little mini arcade up there. And I have a whole bunch of other stuff. So, yeah, so this is little arcades. I'm going to make a whole bunch of them and put them up there with the real ones that I have. So, yeah. I'm going to get more of these arcades later on. But for now, yeah, I'm going to take probably some little things down and place these up there. I have a little one up here, a little Pac-Man one. See, little Pac-Man one. Then I have another retro arcade up here. I'm going to collect some more of these little ones too as well. The real ones. But for now, I like these little cardboard ones. It's cute and it's fun to make. And yeah, this is how it looks.